Hey guys, today we're going to learn about the most affordable Rolex watch to the least affordable Rolex watch, but everything going to be a good deal over here in BALILI Brothers Jewelry. Okay, so we start with 116000. This is a OP, Oyster Perpetual, 36 millimeter with a silver dial. This comes as a complete set. We'll do it for any other store will charge $8,500. BALILI Brothers will charge you only $5,500. This is a steal price right here. You got a boxing paper for this one. Now, jumping up a little bit, you have a 41 millimeter new reference blue dial. Here you go. You see the blue dial? Factory diamond dial with a blue color. These ones are hard to find, okay? These comes at watch only. Any other place, go check us, test. Any other place they'll charge around 15 plus, north to 15,000. Over here, only $12,000 in BALILI Brothers. It's a white gold, 18 karat white gold bezel, factory blue diamond dial. Beautiful watch to own, beautiful watch to own. Fits any clothing, whatever, whether with the jeans, whatever, always nice to have. Now you have the new reference, Yachtmaster 40 millimeter with a rhodium dial, platinum bezel. Okay, this is also a rare find. This is a rare find. You'll see it online anywhere around 15 plus, north to 15. You'll see it here, BALILI Brothers Jewelry for only $12,000. Beautiful watch to own, beautiful. And again, still, I'll say in the entry level. Now you're jumping up. This one here is already, it's one of the most desirable sports model there is. This is a Pepsi. It is a 126710 RBO. Just a gorgeous watch, super smooth, super comfortable, a rare find. You'll see it in the low 20s anywhere else. BALILI Brothers, special BALILI Brothers sale will be for $18,500 today only. This right here is only in the entry level, and you know BALILI got you. We have anything you like, any budget, we got you right. 9 E Flagler Street, downtown Miami. Fuck the rest, come to the best. BALILI Brothers, come shop with us.
Okay, I know everybody like Cartier. We got two Cartier Santos, exactly both the same identical watch, Cartier Santos bust down VS diamonds. Now this one been added with gold, double plated. So it's gonna look like our original two-tone. So this one costs you a little bit more money just because he added gold on this one. You have the same thing over here, VS diamond. This one gonna cost you $15,000. This one gonna cost you $16,500. The gold that they added and the diamonds over here, it's actually a little bit bigger, different style, flower setting, really nice, two beautiful watches. Cartier Roadster, two-tone, original two-tone, beautiful diamond, all around VS diamond, natural diamond. This is more classier, I think, but bust down, it's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna really steal the show. So if you want anything, bust down, Cartier, whatever, just come to BALILI's. Don't forget, fuck the rest, come to the best, BALILI's brother. Okay, so you asked me what is better to put your money on. You have a Cartier Santos bust down two-tone, selling for $16,500 in my store, presidential, yellow gold 36 bust down with a big bezel, same price, $16,500. Now if you're gonna ask me, I'll make it really easy and short. They're both really good brand, and I won't say Rolex or Cartier. Obviously Rolex sell a little bit more and it's a known watch, but for me it's gold. So that's the thing. This one could go, this one always stays gold. So you have gold and diamond over here, and that's the best thing. Investment, invest in gold. I wanna show you something special. Come over here. It's a platinum day-date, blue on blue, Roman dial, really beautiful, 2019, mint condition. Never been used, it was in the safe for a few years. The guy just dropped it off right now. Usually sell 60 to 65, all depends how greedy they are. But in BALILI's, only today, I'll do $55,000. You won't find this prices. It's blue on blue, Roman dial, with the big box. No one give you the box alone is $1,000. So don't forget, fuck the rest, come to the best. BALILI's brother. 9 East Flagler Street, downtown, next to the Seabird building. Come shop with us. This is something that I really, really like. One of my absolutely favorite one. Day-date 40, olive dial, Roman numeral, factory RBR, diamond bezel. Beautiful watch, really classy. Special olive dial on a white gold so people don't really notice it too much. One beautiful watch, really. Around 56,000 online, that's the price for this one. Over here in BALILI, $46,000. That's a really great price. You won't find it over here in the market. We buy gold, we sell golds, we do appraisal, free appraisal, diamonds, silver, anything you want. You can just come over here, get your appraisal, and I guarantee you're gonna be happy.